Welcome everyone to this brand new show, a talk show named as Inspiring Journey, the Comeback Conversation. So, what is this show about? So, this is about celebrating those people who have not given up in face of challenges and who have pursued to fulfill their dreams, who have pursued to do something in their life. See, life is filled up with so much of uncertainty and challenges. बट जो लोग परसिवियर करते हैं, जो लोग गिव अप नहीं करते, वही अपनी ड्रीम्स को अचीव कर पाते हैं, है ना? कहते हैं कि लाइफ में 20% डेस्टिनी होता है और 80% आप कैसे रिएक्ट करते हो वो होता है। तो जो ऑर्डिनरी लोग होते हैं वो 20% पे ही सर्वाइव करते हैं, कहते हुए कि यही हमारी किस्मत है। लेकिन जो एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी लोग होते हैं वो लोग अपनी डेस्टिनी को क्रिएट करते हैं। वो लोग डिसाइड करते हैं कि हाउ आई शुड रिएक्ट टू माई डेस्टिनी, वॉट आई शुड डू टू चेंज द डेस्टिनी। सो दे आर पर्सन हु क्रिएट द डेस्टिनी, एंड दिस शो इज अबाउट दोज एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी पीपल, बिकॉज यही एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी पीपल इंस्पायरिंग जर्नी बन जाते हैं, वो दूसरों के लिए इंस्पायरिंग हो जाते हैं। तो हमारी लाइफ में भी आप देखोगे हमारे आसपास एक बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं जिन्होंने ऐसा अच्छा काम किया होता है, कुछ अचीव किया होता है लाइफ में। तो इस शो के द्वारा मैं चाहती हूँ कि हम उन लोगों को रिकॉग्नाइज करें, उनसे हम कुछ सीखें, उनसे कुछ प्रेरणा लें। तो आज के शो में आज मैं इनवाइट कर रही हूँ बहुत ही स्पेशल गेस्ट, एन इंस्पायरिंग वुमेन who is whose journey will be very inspiring for other women, and I have known her for few years now. So let me give a brief introduction about her before I invite her to this show. As you can see, her name is Neha Garg. Neha is a digital skills coach. She is a certified life coach. She is a master's in science and also done her PGDA certification. Today, she turned from being a homemaker to being a entrepreneur. एंड एज अ डिजिटल स्किल्स कोच आज बहुत सारी वुमेन को वो बिजनेस स्टार्ट करने में, बिजनेस लॉन्च करने में, बिजनेस को स्केल अप करने में और ग्रो करने में हेल्प कर रही है। तो बहुत ही प्यार के साथ और बहुत ही खुशी के साथ मैं वेलकम करना चाहती हूँ नेहा का हमारे शो में। सो वेलकम नेहा। वेलकम नेहा टू आवर शो। इट्स माय प्लेजर टू हैव यू हियर। सो हाउ आर यू डूइंग नेहा?
Thank you so much, Simple, for inviting me for this show, and I'm pretty good. Thank you so much for creating this kind of show where we can actually share the behind the scene of being an entrepreneur. Thank you.
राइट। सो नेहा, मैंने ब्रीफली आपके बारे में बताया है, तो आप थोड़ा अपना इंट्रोडक्शन देना चाहते हैं और अपनी जर्नी के बारे में हमें थोड़ा बताएं।
Yeah, sure. So my name is Neha Garg and I'm a digital skills coach for women entrepreneurs, helping them to raise their confidence in handling digital platforms and technology and launching the business online. So this is what I help others. But if I talk about my journey, how I started, it's all about like so many entrepreneurs start. So it is basically the similar life like a kind of lifestyle we live. So few years back when COVID hit the world, uh, many families face a similar kind of situation where people were losing their job, people were losing the kind of business they set up, and there was so many chaos in the family because of finances and all of that. During that phase I have seen that like uh, we women, as we are devoted to our family, we want to do a lot of for our family, we forget sometime that no matter how good we are in doing all other stuff, sometimes we are not able to help in those conditions, like helping with the finances and being able to become a support, being a earner for the family as well. So that's where I feel that my husband has to put a lot of effort to save his job. And because of that kind of struggle he was facing in his life, we both face so many difficult some circumstances in our family, and that's where a phase come in my life which many people call like depression. But it was not a depression, it was just I was not satisfied the kind of life I was living. as
Hmm.
as having a master's degree, having PGDCA,
Hmm.
and having a MSc postgraduate, I always think like, why am I not doing something?
Hmm.
Even though I know that I had two small kids, I have a full family responsibility. If I'm getting 2 or 3 hours in a day, can I find something so that I can be financial support for my family? So
Hmm.
that kind of dissatisfaction led me to a kind of depressed state where I started feeling like that I'm not good for anything.
Hmm.
And I decided that I need to find out that what I can do for my family.
Hmm.
So I would say that time I didn't had the courage to take my life. So I had the courage to choose that the kind of life I want to live. And I decided to change my life no matter how good or bad circumstances I will face in my life.
Hmm. Yeah, so that is inspiring, Neha, that इस ऐसे सबके लाइफ में ऐसी सिचुएशन आती है जहाँ हम हमें हेल्पलेस फील होता है, सेल्फ डाउट होता है, और हमें ये भी लगता है कि हमने इतनी पढ़ाई की तो फिर सिर्फ घर बैठने के लिए तो नहीं। और ये भी होता है, बहुत लोग ऐसे सोचते हैं कि अगर हम वर्क करें तो फैमिली निग्लेक्ट होगी। बट ऐसे तुम्हारी बातों से ऐसा लगता है कि इट इज नॉट अबाउट दैट, इट इज अबाउट सपोर्टिंग द फैमिली फाइनेंशियली। जबकि बहुत जरूरी है कि सिर्फ मेल मेंबर्स पे ही नहीं, इवन वुमेन कैन सपोर्ट, बिकॉज आपने पढ़ाई की है तो हम भी अब सपोर्ट कर सकते हैं। तो जो डिससेटिस्फैक्शन था उसको आपने कन्वर्ट किया एक जर्नी को स्टार्ट करने के लिए, राइट? तो जब आपने ये सोचा कि आपको भी कुछ करना चाहिए, तो क्या क्या चैलेंजेस आए आपके रास्ते में, क्या क्या चैलेंजेस फेस किया या डिफिकल्टीज फेस किया, एंड हाउ डिड यू ओवरकम दैट?
Okay, if I talk about the challenges of that particular phase, there were two different challenges. One was different challenges from my inner side, where
हम्म।
I was thinking a lot of negative side for myself, and there was outsider external challenges as well for
हम्म।
actually finding out that what I can do. So if I
हम्म।
talk about internal challenges, I was having that kind of thought at that time that Neha, it's almost 6 years past when you left your studies, your work, whatever you do
हम्म।
before marriage. You have two small kids whom you need to look after. You have
हम्म।
a full family because I live in a joint family.
हम्म।
Will you be able to even find out some kind of work where you will give, your time equally, your support equally? Will you be able to do that? So these are the kind of doubts I was having before I start anything for my financial independence.
हम्म।
And there I found that not only these challenges, the negative thoughts which are having from my inner side, I was having external challenges as well. That if I decide to go on a 9 to 5 job, then how will I make a balance between that professional life and that personal life?
राइट।
If I decided to go out and even start a business offline, will that business work? If that business doesn't work, then how will I cope up with all the situation which I will face? So there were so many doubts, and there were so many both the kind of challenges which I was facing, and I used to feel like I want to do something, but I don't have the clarity that what should I do.
हम्म।
But I would say that when you decide that you want to change your life, God sent help. And that's where I see a met group of people who were network marketer. They saw me a plan, and then I recall, okay, that plan I have was like 4 years ago when I just married, and people, come and see our plan. They told me a concept of leading ladies, and I
हम्म।
liked that concept, and I've found that the way they actually describe the difference between active income and a passive income, I understood that concept in so deep manner that I decided to become a networker. So me joining that industry, that network marketing industry, was a choice, not by a chance. So many people join that industry by chance. And I
हम्म।
joined that industry. I put my 200%, not just 100%, but I failed to make a balance between my personal and professional life. That's where I feel like what we are doing in offline, we can do in online as well.
Right.
And I used to feel that I am a tech savvy person, so I can do it for myself. But my team and other people who feel they are not tech savvy, how will they going to do?
Hmm.
To solve that problem, I went to online, and I strongly believe that learning is the first step towards any change.
Yes.
Where I found that community, the book reading community, where we both met, and there they introduced me the coaching industry, uh, where we can share our knowledge and we can also help others, and we can also create a source of passive income. I really like that concept. And that time also I was having so many challenges, so many doubts, like how to go about it. But if I say that, uh, I actually took the faith of those people,
Hmm.
that yes, I can coach. And that time, the way they introduced me the concept, Neha do this, Neha do that, I just go and doing the Zoom presentation, did my paid webinar, did my paid workshop. It went out so well that in a month I was a parenting coach. So I would say that time I joined the coaching industry by chance, not by choice.
Hmm. Hmm.
So challenges will be there. Challenges will always be there.
Obviously.
But are we stopping or are we moving ahead? That is our choice.
Right, right, yes. Yeah, so I want to tell my audience here that is where, there's a distinction between the ordinary and the extraordinary people. Whether you give in to the challenges or whether you find a way out of those challenges. So you do either give in or you find a way, which you saw Neha has done that most of the time. And, having two small children, staying in a joint family in a small city and with not lot of exposure, but yes, a willingness to do something has led her to find coaching as something as a passion which she is doing and helping a lot of people today, right? So Neha, you want to tell us about one quality in you which kept you going in face of all these challenges? कोई एक आपकी क्वालिटी जिस जिसने आपको इसमें सेल थ्रू किया और आज भी जो आपको आगे लेके जा रहा है?
Uh, I don't know that I will call it my quality or not, but I always had a strong action taking approach towards any situation in my life. If I decide I want to do something, I don't think about the outcome.
Hmm.
So, if I say that I want to change my life, I want to build a business, I want to change the situation I am into, I know that there will be so many challenges I'm going to face when I'll move ahead in the journey. But I was not thinking about all of that coming. I was thinking about only that I am moving or not. So
Hmm.
if I say if I'm 10% sure about something, I'm gonna try it, and I have a kind of positive approach towards any situation. If I fail, I will drop and take another new thing. If I pass, and I will continue those things. So जैसे मैं अगर एक एग्जांपल दूं, तो बहुत सालों पहले मुझे कुकिंग का बहुत शौक था। तो इंटरनेट पे से बहुत सारी चीजें देखकर मैं अलग अलग तरह की वीडियो से कुछ खाने की चीजें बनाती थी। तो देयर आई सॉ अ वीडियो जहाँ पर मैंने देखा चिली पोटैटो बनाने की रेसिपी। ठीक है, आई वांट टू प्लीज दैट टाइम माय फैमिली बिकॉज आई वाज न्यूली मैरिड। सो आई ट्राइड दैट डिश विदाउट थिंकिंग कि मेरे से बनेगा या नहीं, क्या होगा क्या नहीं होगा। एंड जब मैंने वो डिश ट्राई की, तो उसकी जो मिर्च होती है उससे मेरे दोनों हाथ झुलस गए थे बुरी तरीके से। बट आई एक्सेप्टेड दैट सिचुएशन। I accepted that I failed in making that dish, and I decided that yes, I'm not going to cook any Chinese dish, but I'm going to continue cooking.
Hmm.
So many things what happen is when we take decision to come out from any situation, we face challenges, we fail, and we quit.
Right.
But I would say do not quit, rather change the path or the way you were moving earlier, and then see you will find a new way out of that, to come out from that situation.
Right, very well said, Neha. So what I get is action, taking action, and then finding a way out and having a positive approach. So that is what I feel, that is what differentiates one person from the other is taking action. कितनी जल्दी हम एक्शन ले पाते हैं, क्योंकि बहुत बार हमें पता होता है हमें क्या करना है, you know. And people who are seeing us also today, maybe you want to do something but आप सोच रहे हो, you keep on thinking, but action जब तक नहीं लेते हमें पता नहीं होता है कि यही हमें करना है या हमें कुछ और करना है. So I think so that is a big takeaway, नेहा, कि एक्शन लेना बहुत जरूरी है. And I think so that is what has brought you from where you were to where you are today, right? तो नेहा, अगर किसी को, एज यू नो आई एम अ करियर रिबाउंड कोच एंड आई हेल्प विमेन टू कम बैक आफ्टर अ करियर ब्रेक. तो बहुत बार करियर ब्रेक के बाद लोग चाहते नहीं कि वो वापस कॉर्पोरेट में जाए. तो उनके लिए, यू नो, गेटिंग इनटू बिकमिंग एन एंटरप्रेन्योर कुड बी अनदर ऑप्शन, राइट? सो सिंस यू आर ऑलरेडी अ डिजिटल स्किल्स कोच, तो आप हमें ये बताएं कि अगर किसी को इसको एज अ प्रोफेशन करना है जैसे आप कर रहे हो, तो उसके लिए क्या रिक्वायरमेंट्स है, उनको क्या कोर्स करना चाहिए, या व्हाट इज द रिक्वायरमेंट इन द पर्सन टू बिकम अ डिजिटल स्किल्स कोच? एज अ करियर ऑप्शन किसी को करना है तो वो क्या करे, कैसे स्टार्ट करे?
Okay, if I talk about digital skills coaching, so digital skill coach एक टर्म है जो मैंने फाइंड आउट किया था उन चीजों के लिए जो मैं सिखाती थी. So
हम्म.
there is no proper like certification core out there for digital skill, becoming a digital skill coach. If I talk about how I started, I was first became a parenting coach, uh, learned so many things, applied, failed, and then understood that that is not my core interest area. And then I found my passion in digital. So in digital, I found out those things which I can teach others. So
हम्म.
आपको अगर कोच बनना है और कोच में भी अगर आपको डिजिटल कोच में जाना है, you need to first find out your passion.
हम्म.
Passion is something which actually tell you that what are the areas in which you are totally good, passionate, and you need no external motivation to do it. तो
हम्म.
बहुत सारे लोग जब कोई भी करियर ऑप्शन चूज करते हैं तो वो मार्केट पोटेंशियल चेक करते हैं कि कौन सा ऑप्शन बेटर है. जैसे होता है ना बच्चों के लिए, साइंस अच्छा है, मैथ अच्छा है, डॉक्टर बनाना है, इंजीनियर बनाना है, बहुत सारे लोग सर्च करते हैं. हम भी
करेक्ट.
अपना जब करियर दोबारा से स्टार्ट करते हैं तो हम क्या सर्च करते हैं, मार्केट में कौन सा ऑप्शन बेटर है जिससे जल्दी हमारी अर्निंग स्टार्ट हो. लेकिन ऐसा कोई भी ऑप्शन चूज करने से जिससे हमारी जर्निंग स्टार्ट हो, हम उसे कुछ समय तक ही आगे लेके जा पाते हैं. एक समय बाद जब हमें पता चलता है कि शायद ये हमारा पैशन नहीं है, तो हम उसको अवॉइड करने के, नेग्लेक्ट करने के तरीके ढूंढते हैं
करेक्ट.
और फिर वहां पे जाके उसको चेंज करना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है. तो आई
हाँ.
वुड से टू स्टार्ट लाइक एनी काइंड ऑफ कोच, बी इट अ डिजिटल स्किल कोच और लाइफ कोच और हेल्थ कोच और एनी काइंड ऑफ कोच, यू नीड टू फर्स्ट फाइंड आउट योर पैशन एरियाज
हम्म.
कि आप किस चीज के लिए पैशनेट हो. अगर आपको मेहंदी लगाना बहुत पसंद है और आप दूसरों को सिखा सकते हो कि मेहंदी लगा के किस तरीके से पैसा कमाया जा सकता है, या आपने खुद ने अर्निंग की हुई है कि पैसा लगा के कैसे, सॉरी, मेहंदी लगा के कैसे पैसा अर्न किया जाए, तो आप उस चीज में भी कोच बन सकते हैं.
हम्म.
लेकिन अगर आपने कोई ऐसा टॉपिक चूज किया है जिस टॉपिक के लिए आप पैशनेट ही नहीं है, उसको लर्न करने के लिए, अप्लाई करने के लिए, तो मे बी आगे चल के आपको उसका रिजल्ट नहीं मिलेगा. सो द
हम्म.
फर्स्ट थिंग इज टू फाइंड आउट योर पैशन. Second thing is when you find out your passion, start investing in the learning.
हाँ. वेरी
And
राइट.
after investing in learning, you need to apply that knowledge as soon as possible. I have seen so many people who are 10x knowledgeable than me, but they may need a little more courage than me to actually take action with that knowledge. और मैंने अपनी लाइफ में यही कॉन्सेप्ट सीखा है कि applied information has a power, only information itself is has no power.
राइट. राइट. वेरी राइट.
तो आपने कुछ सीखा, फिर आपने उसको इम्प्लीमेंट किया, and when you start implementing that, you will find out your good areas, you will find out your improvement areas. You need to keep on working that, but stay in the action zone.
एक्शन मोड. यस. सो या, सो एज यू राइटली सेड, पहले तो पता होना चाहिए अपना पैशन क्या है, बिकॉज इंटरनल मोटिवेशन ही है आपको ड्राइव करेगा, बिकॉज चैलेंजेस हर रास्ते में आने वाले. तो आपका पैशन क्या है, और फिर लर्निंग, एज यू सेड, कीप ऑन लर्निंग, लर्न व्हाट यू हैव टू स्टार्ट एंड देन अप्लाई दैट, पुट दैट इनटू द एक्शन. वेरी वेल सेड, नेहा. अच्छा, दूसरा ये पूछना चाहती मैं आपको कि you do coaching for women who want to launch their business, right? So what does that involve? You want to talk a little bit about your coaching program and how do you help women here?
Basically, if you are someone who say that I'm not tech savvy, I'm here to make you 100% tech savvy. That
Hmm.
is the first outcome of my coaching. And the second thing, wherever you feel you are stuck because of online world, that digital and technology fear, or any kind of platform you want to learn, be it a social media, be it website handling, be it launching your own course through video conferencing, I'm there to support in that aspect as well. So these are something which I feel like I literally handhold women to find the solution of that. Apart from that, if there is any women from non-coaching industry who are not aware about building the personal brand, spreading the awareness of personal brand, knowing their customer, how to actually connect with the clients for their offers, their sales. I'm also into helping in that areas too. So
Yeah.
these are the things included in my coaching program.
Right, right. So Neha helps any woman who feels, as a woman, a lot of people say, I'm not tech savvy, मुझे पता नहीं कैसे करते. बट आजकल के डिजिटल वर्ल्ड में बहुत डिफिकल्ट है अगर आपको टेक्नोलॉजी नहीं आती है. एटलीस्ट एवरीडे यूज में हम इतना ज़्यादा टेक्नोलॉजी यूज करते हैं कि टेक savvy होना अभी कंपलसरी हो गया है. सो इन केस you feel that maybe Neha is the person to go to, you can benefit from her hand holding, from her coaching. And yes, one last thing, Neha, I want to ask you, any message you have for our audience?
हिंदी में इसको कहेंगे एक दोहे के माध्यम से,
Hmm.
काल करे सो आज कर, आज करे सो अब, पल में परले होएगी, बहुरी करेगो कब।
Hmm.
तो इसका मतलब यही होता है कि आपको जो काम अ, कल करना है, वो आप आज ही कर सकते हो, और जो काम आज करना है, वो काम अभी कर सकते हो। लेकिन कई बार हमारे अपनी थॉट प्रोसेस की वजह से हम काफ़ी सारी चीज़ों को पोस्टपोन करते रहते हैं कि बाद में कर लेंगे, बाद में कर लेंगे।
Hmm.
अगर हम यही सोचते रहेंगे कि बाद में कर लेंगे, तो शायद आपकी ग्रोथ भी बहुत लेट जाकर होगी। तो अगर
Delay.
आपको अपनी लाइफ में ग्रोथ देखनी है, तो अभी से ही एक्शन लेना स्टार्ट करें।
या सो दैट्स सो नाइस. सो ये मुहावरा हमने बहुत मैंने ये दोहा हमने काफी बार सुना, हमने बचपन में पढ़ा भी है. बट व्हाट नेहा हैज टॉक्ड अबाउट हर जर्नी, इट इज ऑल एक्शन एक्शन एंड एक्शन व्हिच हैज लेड हर ओवर हियर. एंड आई फील इन टुडेज एज दैट इज व्हाट इज रिक्वायर्ड फ्रॉम ऑल ऑफ अस. अगर हमने कुछ सोचा है तो उसको एक्शन में लाना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. दैट इज व्हाट विल गिव अस रिजल्ट, और दैट इज व्हाट विल गिव मी फीडबैक कि हाँ ये काम करेगा और ये नहीं काम करेगा. तो जब तक हम उसको नहीं करेंगे हमें वो पता नहीं चलेगा. सो दैट इज अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग मैसेज, नेहा. And it was so nice talking to you Neha, and thank you for taking out time to share your story with us. And I hope people who have been watching this show till now, who must have got some value from this conversation. And if you want to reach out to Neha, or if you want to reach out to me, you can find the details in the description below. And stay tuned. Maybe share this video if this has added value to your life in some way. It has evoked something, at least कुछ सोचने पे आपको मजबूर किया है इससे. तो आप इसको शेयर करें, लाइक करें, कमेंट करें, अपना फीडबैक दें कि आपको इससे क्या वैल्यू मिला, और शेयर करें अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ जो इससे बेनिफिट कर सके. और until next show, in which another inspiring woman, another inspiring journey. Thank you and bye bye. Thank you Neha for being here.
Bye bye. Thank you so much everyone for watching this show. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye.